Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the iBELL HAWA Deluxe Tower Fan. There's an image, or rather an illustration of the tower fan right on top, as you can see. We have some information on the box. Over here it says that this particular tower fan comes with sleek and stylish modular design, high gloss rust-free body, 3-speed control, high air delivery 2250 meter cube per hour, extra chilling with air conditioner, low power consumption and powerful airthrow. That's more or less it. This is a 140 watt tower fan. I'm going to open this and show you what's inside. There you go. This is what the tower fan looks like. Alright, there's a warranty card that comes with it. There are no user manuals that I can see, but there is a warranty card over here. It's an important card, and all the controls are over here. These are basically your speed settings, so 1, 2 and 3, and you get the swing through here. These are basically your swinging windows. As you can see the entire machine through here. It's a transparent tower fan. It's made out of ABS plastic body. It's pretty big. It's tall. It's almost 2.5 feet tall, and there's also a cable here. Let me just give you a look at the cable. A meter long, at least, flat TP power cable with a 2-pin plug on one end. As you can see, I'm going to connect this to a power source and give this a test run. I've connected it to a power source. Now these are the dials that I'll control to turn it on. Let's see, it's off right now. What happens when I turn it on? There, it's working right now. This is the first speed setting. You can see it's working. The second speed setting, and this is the third speed setting. Okay, I'm going to turn it to the first setting, the lowest one. Now let's do the swing is already on, so there you go. You can see the windows swinging right now, the fan swinging right now, and yeah, it's pretty powerful actually. Pretty powerful actually. One final thing, underneath, notice that there are these 4 anti-slip rubber stops. This ensures that the base is, secure, firm and secure, and also makes it really heavy at the base. That's it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the iBELL HAWA Deluxe Tower Fan. Thank you for watching.